QIP completion, the use of proceeds. We've got on board with us PI Industries. That's the one stock that everyone's bullish on D-Street. So let's try and understand what really is going on with the company right now. Mayank Singhal, the MD and CEO at PI Industries, on the show with us. Mayank, hi, good morning. Good to have you on the show. Let's start by talking about your 2,000 crore rupee QIP, which received a 6 times demand, as we're given to understand. And it's about as large as, your current gross block as well. Will you be adding capacities, or are you more geared towards inorganic growth? How is it that you're going to be utilizing the proceeds?
Hi, good morning. So thanks to the investors for showing the confidence in PI for its future growth strategies. So as you outlined, we are looking at three ways to invest this money. One, we're looking at inorganic options to go into adjacencies, which could be complementary to our competencies and go into different areas, pharma being identified as one of them. The other is to look at acquisition of smaller blocks, which could be complementary in terms of technology and which could be synergistic to our business. And that's really where we're looking to deploy this money over the next few quarters. Hello?
Also, sure, absolutely. Also, help us understand what new products are you planning to launch in Q2 and Q3? And I understand there are 2 new products which are in the pipeline.
Yes, we have a couple of products in the branded business, which is going to be the domestic branded business, where we will be looking to bring about 1 or 2 product molecules to be based on regulatory approvals in this coming year. On the other hand, we've added capacity for our contract manufacturing for global supplies, where we'll be commercializing 2 new products in the manufacturing sites.
What is the right way of looking at PI Industries? Will it be a cost-plus model? Will it be a IP-driven model? Last 3 years, 4 years have been fantastic for your company, for the promoters and for the shareholders. Next 3 years, how will you ensure that things remain on track?
So as you see, the long-term strategy of the company has been moving towards the knowledge-based capabilities, and the company has been aggressively over the last 5-6 years investing in R&D, and would be looking to become a knowledge-based partner. Whether we're working in an open platform, which is a unique business model, or where we have partnership across the value chain, all the way from discovery to go to markets, where we're working in the IP space, and now we continue to jointly work and develop IP. So I would say we should look at PI in the next 4 to 5 years as more of an organization to technology and IP led.
How will this entire shift in global logistics and manufacturing change life for PI Industries?
Well, when you look at the global shift in manufacturing, we've been the pioneers and forerunners in the space for our areas of competency, which is agri. We definitely see opportunities coming our way. And clearly, India, supported by its strong policies in the area of manufacturing chemical industry, could really move to the next level. I do believe that when India, in the next phase, in the chemical industry specifically, is to focus towards more IP and IP generation creation, which would also give us an edge over the Chinese competition that we see. So I definitely see India could fare well in the global shift.
Is the correlation between good monsoon and your sales? The reason I'm asking you this is that this year the theme for the market is that monsoons have been great. Is there a direct correlation for PI Industries? More rain means more sales?
As you know, we have about 30 to 40% revenue still dependent on the domestic business, which is also going well. Clearly, yes, the domestic business has a relationship on the rainfall and the monsoon situation in India, because still in India, for 50 to 60% agriculture dependent on monsoons. And given the situation that monsoons are doing well, all domestic business-based companies and the businesses in domestic business will do well.
Okay, you're also scaling up a COVID intermediate. Could you share with us a little bit more about this, the kind of opportunity size there as well?
Yes, we have been working on a drug which has been approved for the basis of a COVID treatment, and we have been able to actually produce the intermediate based on, again, on our technological capabilities in a very short period, and have been able to ship that to our international customers in Japan. And also looking to supply the intermediate to some of the domestic producers who are wanting to step into this space.
Fantastic. So what's the kind of opportunity there? Would you have any numbers on that? And, also trying to get a sense of, because you have 7 new patent applications that were filed during Q1, including this. So, across what domains as well are they focused?
Well, the patents are more based on our process and chemistry capabilities, and that's what I would say for now. Right now, given the size of the operation, to the overall size of PI's size is not large enough, but as I said, that we are looking to go now aggressively by utilizing our competencies of chemistry and technology and enter the adjacencies of pharma. That's really where you will see the next scale up in the next 3 to 4 years in this space.
Okay, that helps us to understand better the strategy going forward as well. Talk to us a little bit about the launch of PI Mithra, the focus on digital campaigns as well, like the Akira Harvest Days. Just share with us a little bit on that front as well, and how the capacity ramp up for a new MPP is also panning out.
Sure. Thank you. So PI has recently launched an app to integrate its customers and partners, and I think PI Mithra has been one of the very successful launches. Great job done by our young team. And given the challenges of COVID, our team has come up with a very quick digital strategy for the company, which today I would say has been very interesting. And we've been getting a huge trajectory, both in terms of customer intimacy and performance. We have about 1.2 lakh farmers interacting on a weekly basis to the digital platform through our teams. And there have been some unique features which have been developed in order to look at engagement, product development, and also reward and recognition for performance. And we continue to develop these platforms to create a deeper engagement and create a unique place for looking at going to the next phase 1 and to phase 2 of developing customer interaction and retail on those bases.